not just a song, this is a message from the people to the world. Free Palestina. Di balik keruntuhan ada tawet yang hilang. Anak kecil lari tanpa tahu pulang. They said it's war but we know the truth. This is occupation masked in suits. Bukan soal agama bro, it's about rights. Rumah dihancurin malam tanpa lights. They dropping bombs, we dropping facts. While they silence voices we speak back. Free Palestina, let the world hear. Dari Gaza sampai hati yang masih peduli di sini. Free Palestina, but the way they fear. Kami berdiri walau dunia hanya diam diri. Free Palestina, can't you see the pain? Tangisan ibu darah di tengah hujan. Free Palestina, this is not a game. Ini nyawa manusia bukan angka di layar senyap. Dunia sibuk nge-scroll timeline. Sementara di sana darah jadi underline. They got tanks, we got prayers. They got lies, we got layers. Lapisan luka, lapisan harap. Di balik kehancuran, mimpi tetap menetap. From the river to the sea, mereka teriak. But freedom's not a wish, it's a right they hijack. Where's justice? Where's humanity? Kenapa dunia cuma nonton tragedy? No more silence, no more lies. We raise the flag where the eagle flies. Free Palestina, let the world hear. Dari lirik ini sampai jalanan yang bergetar. Free Palestina, we're still here. Suara ini hidup meski luka masih segar. Free Palestina, this is real fight. Bukan perang biasa tapi perjuangan hak dan cahaya. Free Palestina, day and night kami suarakan sampai dunia terbuka matanya. This is for the mothers crying for their sons. For every child whose dreams were buried in rubble. For every soul still standing under the sky of fire. We say loud and clear, free Palestina, now and forever.